Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Buyer's Edge. If you're on a keto diet or just starting to explore it, you probably know the amazing benefits that come with it, everything from weight loss to increased energy and even support for certain health conditions. But let's be real, sticking to keto can mean saying goodbye to some of our favorite foods, like bread and desserts. Now, what if I told you there's a way to stay keto and still enjoy all those treats you love? Yes, you heard me right. Today, I'm super excited to share a little gem that's been a game changer for so many keto followers, myself included. I'll be diving into the world of keto breads and keto desserts, a collection of recipes created by nutrition expert Kelly Herring. Imagine having fluffy bread, cookies, and cakes, all keto-friendly. So stick around if you want to learn how you can follow your keto goals without sacrificing the foods you enjoy. By the end of this video, you'll see just how easy and delicious it can be to stay on track. For years, the ketogenic diet has been known as a powerful tool, not just for weight loss, but also for improving conditions like type 2 diabetes, metabolic health, and even neurological wellness. It's no wonder that the keto lifestyle has grown in popularity, with people worldwide experiencing profound transformations. But one of the biggest hurdles: giving up comforting treats like bread and desserts. Most people miss that moment of indulgence, the satisfaction of biting into a warm piece of bread or savoring a rich dessert. What if there was a way to enjoy all that without compromising your health goals? That's where Keto Breads and Keto Desserts by nutrition expert Kelly Herring comes in. Kelly, who has a background in nutritional biochemistry, has designed a collection of keto-friendly recipes that taste just as satisfying as the originals. Kelly's journey started from a personal battle with health challenges, which inspired her to create wholesome recipes that could be enjoyed without guilt. Her mission: to make healthy eating truly delicious. She carefully crafted each recipe to ensure that you're not just getting a keto-friendly meal, but one that tastes fantastic too. What sets keto breads and keto desserts apart? First, these recipes are for everyone. Even if you're new to keto, you'll find the instructions easy to follow. And the best part: each recipe has been meticulously tested, ensuring every loaf and dessert comes out perfectly, just like in the photos. The book also keeps you on track with clear nutrition information, so you know exactly what you're eating. From macronutrient ratios to net carbs per serving, you can confidently enjoy breads and desserts while staying in ketosis. Kelly didn't stop there. She carefully selected ingredients that are not only keto-compliant but also healthy for you. Each recipe provides natural, wholesome flavors without artificial fillers, so you can enjoy delicious comfort foods without compromising on quality. And whether you're looking for gluten-free options, dairy-free substitutions, or nut-free alternatives, these recipes have been designed to suit a range of dietary needs. Plus, Keto Breads and Keto Desserts is available in both digital and print versions, and Kelly offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can try out the recipes, and if they aren't for you, get your money back within 60 days. If you're serious about your health but don't want to give up on the foods you love, this is your chance to embrace a keto lifestyle without feeling deprived. With Keto Breads and Keto Desserts, you'll never have to sacrifice taste for health again. Ready to start baking your way to a healthier life? I have shared the official website link in the description box to get it started today. Buying from official website is a guarantee of receiving original product and getting best deal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.